Okay, in this example, I'm going to use SceneBuilder to build a table. So let's click here on SceneBuilder. I'll click here on Empty Project here. And I will use an anchor pane. And let's look for table. And let's do a table view here. And by default, this table view comes with a couple of columns. I'm going to enter here. I'm going to duplicate that to get another column, duplicate that, just to get about 4 columns. Let's stretch this out. So we get the size that we're looking for. Let's make this take up a little bit more room. And let's say this represents my student. Eventually, I like to get some data from the database, but let's say it represents data from a student. Okay, I'll say here ID. I'll say here first name. Last name, and I'll say grade here. Oh, you know what? I gave these names like they're variable names, and these are going to be the title names. So make this first name, make this last name, and grade. Okay, I think the names will take up more room, so let's give that a bit more information here. I want to create a button here, so eventually I'll press on a button and ask it to search. Let's click here on search. There it goes. And let's put a text box here. Text field, and let's put a label also. And we'll type in here search for. I'll add another label here. Let's change that to student lookup. I'll change the font size to okay, let's make that 32. Let's try to make that a little bit reasonable here. I think that looks okay. Again, I'm not a professional designer. Just want to get this up and running. And let me just get more room here so I can put more data on this. Okay, let's save it. I'll save it for now on my desktop as a student view. Let's save it. I did that already. Let's do a preview. Okay, looks pretty good. Let's go to view, show sample data. So we can look at some data here, show preview. I think that looks pretty good. Okay, now in the next video, the goal is to get this ready for us to code within Eclipse. Okay, so right now we've got the graphical user interface, you know, looking somewhat decent. And like I said, again, the goal is to make this code go through with Java. With that, good luck and good coding. I see you in the next video.